Kikhubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app na ka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingpuli ka jingseo ka baret but hila ban legu ban puli da ka education loan. Hila ruban chukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu license, riu khandai pra.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikil kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Dr. Didi Lapang ubalalong teng menteri rangba barim jong jela bad ubalong menta unong ai but jong ke sarkar jela haga arpu tarik unaitung arajar arpulai ulapli paj ba ya ka blok kabala ainam haga kerteng jong hapok ka slem puli jong ka Ustm harengkat ka jing sakhilang jong Vice Chairman of the Meghalaya Resources Employment Generation Council uba Donlang Soklen President jong ka Ribhoy Dorbar uba RB Shadab Chancellor but Vice Chancellor jong ka Ustm ka jingpli ya ka Dr. Didi Lapang Blok kalong kumshibenta ka jingno senyang Jong Dr. Lapang syaga jela bat ka jingye day jong bat ka university.
I'm so happy sir, you are in the campus. Dr. Didi Lapang sir, former Chief Minister, here. And you are all knowing students and faculty, this is a landmark of our small campus, amenity center. And I must say, he was the fan of this campus. And you have seen he is not very well, but he came here to see the campus and give the blessing to the students. And I will be requesting former Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Didi Lapang sir, to inaugurate the landmark of this campus, the amenity center. Most crowded place from morning to evening, 24/7. Students assemble here, and this beautiful building will be dedicated in your name, and you will be inaugurating this building. And you see that just in the opposite side, this way 180-degree angle, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Block. So you will be just 180-degree angle to the Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who also inaugurated that building. But at that time it was technology block, but today it has been named and in the name of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So it's a very pleasant moment for the entire Ustm family that sir is here and he will be inaugurating Dr. Didi Lapang block, and not the chief guest is someone else. He is himself Dr. Didi Lapang. This is a great moment for us. Give a big hand for him. Thank you.
Set. Tang.
This is block F. Western. Whenever he delivered a speech in this campus, always I found him as a great teacher. He never spoke about any political kind of agenda, but always brings us kind of mainstream issues, and especially for the motivation of the teaching and learning development. He is a person not very much healthy, very senior man, but still he never forget to call us and ask what is happening in the university. What kind of progress is going on? Mr. Hawk, is there any problem with you? Are you facing any problems? Tell me. And always, if he is speaking for 2 minutes, 1 minute only he pays for us. It's all statement which is always blessings to us and great to Almighty. This is his personality. I don't think that with this kind of health, nobody will visit anywhere. They will take rest. But from last few months, continuously we are in touch, and he is trying to come at least once in this campus. I am very honest to it. That such a senior man, and from political fraternity, but having affection with an educational institution. Rarely you will find. Nobody will express any interest to visit educational institution unless you are not invited. But here, without my invitation, it is only mutually we have faced the date, but it is his interest, it was his interest to come and see the progress of this institution. I think every student must stand up, all faculty must have been great ovation for him, standing ovation for him.
Before I start about the background of this case, I would like to tell you, there was a time where I happened to be the representative of this case as an MLA. I won the election 8 times, and one of the times, the person was just killing us with a very decided village where no one recognizing existence at all. What we so happened at that time, today, we can see here that this area has been transformed, this barren land, into a very difficult and a very special, acceptable, and also acceptable for all about the crisis and land that have faced the people, and it become no longer a barren land, but a land where we have become the educational hub of the area. When the hub, you are the man was very I met you first, and I with you always, and I only gain experience, I gain inspiration, I gain friendship whenever I am with you. And I remember the day when this day is a barren land, and today. There was a man at the time who dared have vision, determination, ambition in life, and that is the nature of Mr. Hart and associates. I will name here also Mr. Giti Sharma, who is the Vice Chancellor, who is not here today, and this is for a factory leaders. Now you see, Professor J.D. Sharma, as Vice Chancellor, USA, to come here in 2020, and to come here, USA come here about 11 years ago, and has grown very fast, and then grown to the height of it where everything is visible over the height and strength and the vision and determination of this campus. Now, I have got evidence in the ground that this question of this is not to revive the very deep corner here, but from here, the banner has raised to the height where the people could see even the international forum has recognized that its existence, something somewhere in this area has come to the limelight. ERDF is the main agency where this forum, we call it the many departments and all, education, research and development foundation of this main body. The ERDF is here, and all associated around them, people like the Professor Dishala and others, are accomplishment of being the president of the Association of Indian University of This is the training of leadership, got the quality of leadership from this area, where we are very glad about the leadership of the Chancellor, the Vice Chancellor of the university is a fast-growing private university in the state and in the region of the area. Now, we also got this chance to be with you, to interact with you for a few minutes. Yes, I have not 90 years now. I am very old, this is retired, but I'm sitting around people sitting also. And at the same time, I would like to say that as long as I live, I survive, I will not forget the footprints and the footprint, the sands of time that is remain here for all time to come. Now you see, the faculty, the staff, and the university has also developed a dean of different schools, heads of different departments of the university, teaching and non-teaching staff, and the students of the university, like we have them. With everything, circumstances, we have them also. Now the student has become a category of the people like the teaching and non-teaching, the writer, to the minister student, the graduate student, the post of graduate the scholar student, another student, all of them have combined to make this an educational hub and a land of dream, a land of expectation, a land of ambition. And we have that out of this campus, they have brought many leaders and they have invited them in the brain, the spirit of determination. Because determination is the man. You know, Andrew Jackson, the president of America, said this word: one man with courage makes a majority. One man with courage makes a majority, because he can make it, and that is very wonderful. You know, there was a question of the friends of Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon Bonaparte, connection with the counterparts, he asked. His counterpart said, well, Bonaparte, you are very short, 5 feet, 1 inch only, and you attract any attention of anybody because you disappear in the crowd. And how come? They mention your name only and you become great. Napoleon Bonaparte said this word: well, friends, if you say that Napoleon is great, there's nothing else but only one thing. And that one thing is that the word impossible would not be found in my dictionary. The word impossible will not be found. You do. And happening in India, a great number of countries. There was a time when Mahatma Gandhi, they called him Bapu, he reached Allahabad. The Royal Army started all there, the harassment is there, the bloodshed is there, killing is there, and then then Mahatma Gandhi reached Allahabad. Then he said, no, Bapu, because Bapu, don't go, hold on, right? Because there is massacre, bloodshed, then don't go, please. Then Mahatma Gandhi stood like a stone and raised his eyes up there and he said this word: I wish I should And then he said to them, now I swear, I vow that I shall not die until and unless I live in liberty in the city. And after that, he said this word, that liberty to the city, and I take my vow that liberty will be here, and we will see that we will achieve the goal one day. And what did that? He said to him, when he said that word, he raised his hand and he did it. And Mahatma Gandhi did it. What is why? Because there was a man with a second soul, with courage, makes a majority. Majority is a winning side. And Mahatma Gandhi was there and said, I will not die. And doing this, which achieving or left at this is my mantra. This is my mantra that I will die unless I achieve it. Mantra is the mantra. Do or die is my mantra, and you will see one day. And happen. Dear friend, young friends in India, you are a battle. You have to fight the battle, and you have to struggle and be there. Try to say, one soul with courage makes a majority, and a majority is a winning side always. And I hope you will win the race if you don't give it halfway. Well, friend, you have got a friend here, Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul, Mr. here, he is the man who depends on one man with courage has got the majority. And with this, supported by his listeners, by his governors, by his supporters, by his well-wishers, by the men who like the community, and we are today. And I hope this will grow, and that the name of this university has gone beyond the four walls of the world, and beyond India, the smell of the university is there. He is known everywhere in the world, and he has done it, and God has changed it, because he did not give anything unturned. He did it. And well, remember the few words I share with you, and I hope God will bless you. Go ahead and say that we will not leave unseen stone unturned until and unless your dream is accomplished. Well, friends, I'm glad I'm today. I'm old enough to reach the retired age, but I am glad my dream, my cherished blessing, and all will discuss. Thank you very much. God bless you.